Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we have another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I'd like to share this with you. It's actually a nice 2015 Honda Accord. It's got a 3.5 liter V6 engine in it. As you can see, it does have deep tinted windows on it. And this is what is called a touring trim package. It's got leather interior, sunroof on it, backup camera, heated seats. It's got a lot of the bells and the whistles that people are looking for. Get up here, you can see the V6 and the touring emblem on it. It does have the backup camera, which is right there. Spacious room in the trunk. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the trunk. Okay, here we do. Taking a look at the trunk open. A lot of space back here. I mean, a lot of space. So let's go ahead and continue our tour. Okay, so we'll continue over here on the driver's side. Continue to do our walk around. Now, another note, the side mirrors, they do have the turn signals that are built into those for safety. So that's a nice feature to have. Now get up here, you can actually see the sunroof. So I tell you what, this car is nice inside. Let's take a peek. Okay, here we go. Leather interior. You've got two-tone door panels, but a light gray tan color. And get up there, see your sunroof. Let's take a peek up front. So here we are looking front. You do have power seats. Same two-tone color on your door panels here. Now you do have two presets for your seat right here. So you get in there, push either number 1 or 2, which one you designate to you, and it will automatically adjust the seat where you want it to be. It does have an EcoBoost button on it, help your fuel mileage. So let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, here we are on the inside. I want to show you a little bit. We'll pan over. LCD monitor right in here. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here in a second. You'll see what I'm talking about. Another LCD module right here, and your climate control. It does have dual zone for left and right. Scroll on down here, information for your LCD display. It does have navigation, Bluetooth, connect to your phone. You do have a couple outlets right down here, 12 volt and USB. Here are the buttons for your heated seats, left and right. So now it does have push button, start stop. So all you need to do, just apply your foot on the brake gently, hit the button, and you can see it actually firing up. Get up here and show you your LCDs, how they get fired up. So we do need to put some fuel in this, but you can see how it lights up. Let's go over here and I'll show you the display. It's already set up on the navigation and GPS. So I'm going to go ahead and show you it does have a backup camera. So I'm going to drop it down in reverse. And there you go. You can see behind you. So that's fantastic to have. But that is the front of it. Let's go ahead and, well, before we go in back, I want to show you, you do have a couple cup holders right here. So let's take a peek in back. Okay, there is your seating. You can see there is plenty of leg room that is back here. And pan up here and you'll see the sunroof, and it does have a manual shade you can pull. So very nice. But I wanted to show you before we hop outside, on the left part of your steering wheel, you do have the audio controls for your radio, Bluetooth. Buttons here will show different settings up on your instrument cluster, your gauges, and your cruise control is on this side. So there we have it, guys. 2015 Honda Accord Touring, 3.5 liter V6 engine, leather interior, sunroof, heated front seats, cruise control. It's got pretty much everything you want. Got it priced right to get off the lot quick. But if you have any questions, feel free to call us. Area code 740-992-4443. We've got a lot of lenders that are eager to lend money on this. You can get in no down payment, low down payment. Just let us know what you're after. So talk to you soon. Bye.